Look, I'm friendly with all the parties in the Republic, and we try to do our best. As First Minister, of course, I believe, very helpful to the Democratic Unionists and to Sinn Féin, to Ian Paisley and Martin McGuinness, to keep the joint government on the road, and at various times was able to, as I say, be helpful in that process, as I would do again, because above anything else in politics, I'm a friend of Scotland and a friend of Ireland.
Sinn Féin were tweeting pictures of their meeting with you earlier in Leinster House. What advice were you giving them?
Well, and Fianna Fáil were tweeting pictures shortly thereafter. so I can't, I probably give the same advice to everyone, which is to do their best to win the election. Look, a number of things people were asking me about Brexit, of course, the possibility of the UK leaving the European Union. They were asking about the anti-austerity message, certainly, because you're quite right to say and identify that our coherent anti-austerity message in this year's general election was a key factor in the SNP sweeping the boards, winning 56 out of the 59 Scottish parliamentary seats at Westminster, of which I'm one. So there was a lot of questioning on, how did you approach that? What were the key things to do? And I was able to point to, and obviously this is advice you offer freely, but then our Irish friends are free to take that advice or free to go their own way. And I wouldn't presume, incidentally, to tell, particularly in an STV system. I mean, I think, I thought I knew everything about politics in terms of proportional representation, list systems, first past the post, ATV, but even I find the complexities of single transferable vote or multiple transferable vote with quotas. When you get down to that fifth and sixth preference, you start to lose me.